Your healthy breakfast is secretly damaging your body. Every morning for 3 years, I ate oatmeal believing I was making the healthiest choice possible. Doctors recommend it, fitness experts praise it, and everyone calls it the perfect breakfast. But last year, my energy levels crashed, my blood sugar became unstable, and I gained 15 pounds despite eating clean. My nutritionist reviewed my food diary and immediately spotted the problem. I was making critical oatmeal mistakes that transformed a nutritious food into a metabolic nightmare. The shocking truth is that most people eating oatmeal daily are actually harming their health without realizing it. The way you prepare and consume oatmeal determines whether it nourishes or damages your body, according to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Here's what happens inside your cells when you eat oatmeal incorrectly. Oats contain powerful compounds that can either stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation, or spike insulin and trigger fat storage. The difference comes down to 7 critical mistakes nearly everyone makes. Mistake number 1 is using instant or flavored oatmeal packets. These convenient packages contain added sugars, artificial flavors, and processed ingredients that destroy oatmeal's natural benefits. I used to grab maple brown sugar packets thinking they were harmless. One packet contains up to 12 grams of added sugar, equivalent to 3 teaspoons. The World Health Organization recommends limiting added sugars to 25 grams daily, and one oatmeal packet consumes half that allowance before you've even started your day. Instant oats are also heavily processed, which strips away the outer bran layer containing most of the fiber and nutrients. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition show that instant oats cause blood sugar spikes 60% higher than steel-cut oats because processing breaks down the grain structure your body would normally digest slowly. Mistake number 2 is eating oatmeal alone without protein or healthy fats. Plain oatmeal is almost pure carbohydrate, which causes rapid blood sugar elevation followed by an energy crash. When I ate plain oatmeal, I'd be ravenously hungry 2 hours later and craving sugar. Research from the Diabetes Care Journal confirms that carbohydrate-only meals trigger insulin spikes that promote fat storage and increase hunger hormones. Your body needs protein and fat with oatmeal to slow glucose absorption. Adding protein stabilizes blood sugar by triggering glucagon release, which balances insulin's effects. Healthy fats slow gastric emptying, keeping you satisfied longer and preventing the blood sugar roller coaster. Mistake number 3 is drowning oatmeal in sweeteners. Honey, maple syrup, brown sugar, and dried fruits turn healthy oatmeal into a sugar bomb. I used to add 2 tablespoons of honey and a handful of raisins, thinking natural sugars were fine. That combination added 30 grams of sugar to my breakfast, causing my pancreas to pump out massive insulin doses every single morning. The Mayo Clinic warns that chronic high insulin levels promote inflammation, weight gain, and increased diabetes risk substantially. Even natural sugars spike blood glucose identically to refined sugar when consumed in large amounts. Mistake number 4 is using the wrong type of milk. Many people pour sugary almond milk, oat milk, or dairy milk loaded with lactose onto their oatmeal. Flavored plant milks often contain added sugars and inflammatory seed oils. 1 cup of vanilla almond milk can contain 15 grams of added sugar, sabotaging your healthy intentions. Dairy milk contains lactose, a sugar that some people can't digest efficiently, leading to bloating and inflammation. I noticed significant digestive improvement when I switched from dairy to unsweetened options. Mistake number 5 is microwaving oatmeal in plastic containers. When you heat plastic, chemicals like BPA and phthalates leach into your food. These endocrine disruptors interfere with hormone function and have been linked to metabolic disorders according to research from the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. I microwaved my oatmeal in plastic bowls daily for years, unknowingly exposing myself to these harmful compounds. Mistake number 6 is eating oatmeal every single day without variety. While oats are nutritious, eating any food exclusively creates nutrient imbalances and can trigger food sensitivities. Oats contain avenin, a protein similar to gluten that some people react to negatively. After eating oatmeal daily for years, I developed digestive discomfort that disappeared when I rotated my breakfast options.